Hello students, today we are going to start first chapter of mathematics part first of standard 9 and the first chapter is sets. Students, I am going to ask you few questions and you have to answer it. My first question is, make the list of days of the week and your answer will be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So everybody's answer will be same. Now my second question is, make the list of 3 favorite subjects. And everybody's answer will be same? No, someone will say, Madam, I like maths, science and history. Someone will say, Madam, I like Marathi, Hindi and drawing. Someone will say, I like geography, history and mathematics. So everybody's favorite subjects are different. Now my third question is, write down in your notebook first even natural numbers and your answer will be 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now my next question is, make the list of good student of our class. Now everybody's answer will be same? No. Somebody will be say Kiran is good, Payal is good, Yash is good. Someone will say Rushiraj is good. Someone will say Vrishali is good. Someone will say Srushti is good. So everybody's answer will be different. So students, I asked you 4 questions. So you can make the difference between these 4 questions. In these 4 questions, 2 questions I asked. So answers are same. Anyway you will go in the world, the answer will be same. And other 2 questions, we can make the list definitely? No, the answer will be different. So what questions I asked you, the answer is definite, that is set. So we can make the definition of set. If we can definitely and clearly decide the objects of the given collection, then it is said to be the set. The set can be written with the capital letters A, B, C and so on. And the elements of the set we have to write with the small letters A, B, C, D. If small a is the element of the set capital A, then we have to write as you can see on the screen. If A is not the element of capital A, then it have to write as you can see on the screen. Now there are different types of examples given. For example, N is set of natural numbers, W is set of whole numbers, I is set of integers, Q is rational numbers and R is set of real numbers. Now we will move on to methods of writing sets. Students, there are 2 methods for writing sets. First method is listing method or roster method. Second one is rule method or set builder form. Now we will see to the listing method. In listing method, we have to make list of the elements. For that, we have to use curly bracket. All the elements should be written only once and each element should be separated by comma. The order of an element is not important. You can write any element first. So this is list method. Now this is the example of list method. The set of odd numbers will be 3, 5, 7, 9. Now second method is rule method or set builder form. For this method, we don't have to write the list of the element, but we have to write the general element using variable. For that, we have to use any variable followed by colon or vertical line, that is slash. For example, if A is the set of odd number, then by set builder form we have to write A equal to curly bracket x oblique x belongs to n, and the limitation of x is greater than 1 and less than 10. Now we will start with the activity on page number 3 from your book. Fill in the blanks given in the following table. Students, we have to write listing method for some examples and rule method for some examples. First example is solve for you all. In listing method, set A is given as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Now if we will observe, we will see these all are even numbers and they are positive, so natural numbers. So rule method will be A equal to x oblique x is an even natural number less than 15. Now second example is given in rule method. B equal to x oblique x is a perfect square number between 1 to 20. Now we know 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. But 25 is greater than 20. Hence answer will be in list method B equal to 1, 4, 9 and 16. Now third example is given in listing method C equal to A, E, I, O, U. Now if we'll observe, these all are vowels in English alphabet. So in rule method answer will be C equal to in curly bracket Y oblique Y is a vowel in English alphabet. Students, instead of Y you can use any alphabet. Now fourth example is given in rule method D equal to Y and Y is a color in the rainbow. Now you all seen colors in the rainbow. So we will make the list. You have to keep it in mind. Vibgyor means Vibgyor. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange and R for red. So here is the answer. Now next example is given in rule method. P equal to in curly bracket x oblique x is an integer and x is greater than -3 and less than 3. Now we have to find out the numbers which are greater than -3 and less than 3. So answer will be in listing method P equal to -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Now last example is in listing method M equal to 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 and so on. If we will observe, we will get these all numbers are perfect cube. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64 and 5 cube is 125 and so on. So answer will be in rule method M equal to in curly bracket x oblique x equal to n cube where n is greater than or equal to 1 and less than and equal to 5.